Hello again, this is Manisha from Revelo Systems. Hope you all are having fun at OpenStack Summit. So today's session is for OpenStack distributors and OpenStack solution providers who are helping enterprises learn, adopt, and accelerate their deployments on OpenStack. What I'm going to show you today is a way for you to use public cloud capacity to quickly build POC, training, and lab environments for either your distribution of OpenStack or your specific custom solution stack for OpenStack, and expose it to your stakeholders with your customer engagements and get them learning your solution fast and get them familiarized with your specific OpenStack solution architecture. So the way you would go about doing this is you will use Revelo system technology, which is a nested hypervisor technology running on top of various public clouds, and that's how we enable you to run your OpenStack environments on top of public cloud. You would come in, log into our platform, and by the way, very soon we are going to be doing a joint webinar with Red Hat to announce their specific distribution that is going to be available through Red Hat. You could come and try out their specific distribution of Icehouse. So stay tuned to our website so you can find out when that webinar is taking place. But the way that you would go about doing it is, as a distributor of OpenStack solution or a service provider, you will actually create blueprints of your specific OpenStack architecture. So think of blueprints as templates that your technical team would have already configured on top of Revelo. So let's say, for example, as you can see on the screen here, you would have, so the way you can think about it is you can have various versions, various deployments with multiple networking configuration, all available as different blueprints in your specific blueprint library. Once you have configured those, then you can just ask your users within your enterprise customers or the customers where you're doing engagement to actually come in either through Revelo or through your own portal and then select an appropriate blueprint which represents a specific OpenStack architecture or deployment that you have configured for them, and then very quickly create a running application instance using that existing blueprint. So as you can see here, I selected a blueprint. I said create an application. I'm going to say publish it right away because I want to try it right now. I want to be able to log in and see various compute nodes, everything that's configured as part of this OpenStack deployment. And you click on run. And within few minutes, you will have a completely functional OpenStack environment up and running on public cloud. In this case, you can select Amazon Virginia, for example, and then run it. So I have one here. It takes few minutes to run, to get one up and running. But I want to show you one of the environments that is up and running right now. So here is an example of an OpenStack instance that is up and running. So your user is going to be able to then look at and log in through your specific management portal, which will be exposed through an IP address, and then really come in and look at the way you have architected the OpenStack solution for them, as well as the various networking, private networking you have configured. So here, this is the interface that you probably all are familiar with. This is an OpenStack management portal. Your users can then just go in. In this case, this is a controller node, and you see here there's an IP address, and you kind of click here, or you can. All of this, by the way, is exposed through our APIs, so you can wrap around your specific portal interface, which is more customized, has your own branding around what you see here, but still provide a way for your users to quickly spin up a completely functional multi-node OpenStack environment for your specific distribution or with your specific customizations around how you have configured different modules, and give them an opportunity to interact with it, to do their own configuration, test it out, try it out, even do training on top of that, use it for as long as they want to, and then completely shut it down. So this is a great way for you to start exposing your enterprise users as part of your engagements that you're doing, even use it for your sales demos, and then bring it up instantaneously without really having to wait for the appropriate hardware to be procured and various components to be installed on it. So I hope you all get an opportunity to play with it. Please feel free to visit our website, www.revelosystems.com, and register for the free trial, and let us know if this is something you'd like to try.